Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today are studying about the biology. We can see the 20 most popular question. So take the first question. The process of the formation of the gametes is called fertilization, meiosis, mitosis, budding. The correct answer will be meiosis. Correct answer will be the meiosis. Now we see the question number second. Question number second is the fusion of the male and female gametes is known as fusion, fertilization, regeneration, fragmentation. The correct answer will be the fertilization. Correct answer will be the fertilization. Now we see the question number third. Which of the following reproduces by the binary fusion? First, amoeba. Second, hydra. Third, yeast. Fourth, spiral. The correct answer will be the amoeba. Amoeba is the correct answer. Now we see the question number 4. Budding occurs in bacteria, amoeba, hydra, plasmodium. The correct answer will be hydra. Correct answer will be the hydra. Budding occurs in the hydra. Now we see question number 5. Which one is an example of asexual reproduction? First, fertilization, budding, pollination, meiosis. The correct answer will be the budding. Budding, which one is an example of asexual reproduction? Now we see question number 6. Male reproductive part of a flower is stigma, style, stamen, ovary. So you can see the stamen stamen is the male reproductive part of a flower. So answer C is correct. Now we see question number 7. Female reproductive organ of a flower is option A valve, pistil, anther, filament. The correct answer will be pistil. So pistil female reproductive organ of a flower. Question number 8. The reproductive unit of a sexual reproduction is bud, B spore, C gamete, G zygote. The correct answer will be zygote. The zygote is the reproductive unit of asexual reproduction. The eye can understand the gametes is the reproductive unit of sexual reproduction. Now we see question number 9. Which of the following is not a method of asexual reproduction? First, fragmentation, B. Binary fission, C. Budding, or D. Fertilization. The correct answer will be the D. Fertilization. Fertilization is which of the following not a method of asexual reproduction? Now we see the question number 10. Formation of new plant from leaves, root or stems is called vegetative propagation, regeneration, C. Spore formation, D. Pollination. The correct answer will be the vegetative propagation. So you can see the formation of a new plant from the leaves, roots or stems is called vegetative propagation. Now we see the question number 11. Which of the following produces the spores? Option A, moss. Option B, hydra. Option C, amoeba. Option D, hydra. The correct answer will be the moss. The moss, which of the following produces the spores? Now we see question number 12. Transfer of the pollen grain from another to stigma is called fertilization, pollination, germination, regeneration. The correct answer will be pollination. The transfer of the pollen grain from another stigma is called pollination. Now we see question number 13. The product of the formed after the fertilization is zygote, embryo, seeds, flower. The correct answer will be the zygote. The zygote, the product formed after the fertilization. Now see the question number 14. Which hormones control the male reproductive system? Option A, estrogen. Option B, testosterone. Option C, progesterone. Option D, oxytocin. The correct answer will be the testosterone. Is correct answer. Now we see the 15th question. Testes produce ovum, sperms, placenta, embryo. The correct answer will be sperm. The testes produce the sperms. Now we see the question number 16. Which organ nourishes the developing embryo in the humans? Option A, placenta. Option B, ovary. Option C, uterus. Option D, fallopian tube. The correct answer will be placenta. Placenta is correct answer. Which method is used by the bryophyllum to reproduce? Option A, leaf buds. Option B, budding. Option C, spores. Option D, fragmentation. The correct answer will be the leaf birds. Correct answer is leaf birds. Now we see the question number 18. The ability to replace lost body part is called regeneration, germination, budding, fragmentation. The correct answer will be regeneration. The correct answer will be regeneration. The ability to replace lost body part is called regeneration. So option A is correct. Now we see the question number 19. Which of the following is not involved in human female reproduction? Option A, ovary. Option B, uterus. Option C, stamen. Option D, fallopian tube. The correct answer will be stamen. So option C is correct. The stamen of the following stamen of the following is not involved in human female reproduction. So answer C is correct. Now we see the question number 20. Sex of a baby is determined by X chromosomes from the mother, X or Y chromosomes from father, hormones of mother, placenta. The correct answer will be X or Y chromosomes from father. So correct answer will be the option B. So the determination of the new baby is determined by the chromosomes of the father X or Y. If XX chromosomes react, then the baby will be daughter. If XY chromosomes react, that baby is the boy. Thank you so much nice. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much nice.